Fantastic. Quite honestly, I didn't expect the kind of footfall that I'm seeing here. It is very pleasant to see so many customers. And the good part about this is bringing everybody under one roof who are in the same industry, which is manufacturing. So I think it could not have been better.
It's a good concept. It's a short and sweet, just one day, and so that we don't have to spend too much time outside the office.
The event has been organized very systematically. It has been covering all the aspects of the manufacturing industry from the IT perspective. It has covered very well the software requirement, the integration requirement from the ERP, SAP, planning, the virtualization and consolidation platform, and also given us an opportunity to rub shoulders with the best in the industry, both from the consulting standpoint, the software standpoint, and we as leaders in the energy management side with the critical physical infrastructure. Oh yeah, definitely. We will look forward for the future summits, where we can have elaborate exposures to more than the 100 CIOs that we will be able to interact today.
I should say that the event was organized wonderfully well, and especially maintaining the timings. So that was very wonderful, and especially with so many different people coming in and maintaining the timing till the end of it, it's a great task. We know that, and it was wonderfully done.
This is the second time we are participating in Exito Manufacturing Summit in Mumbai. It's a neatly planned event. Thanks to Exito for bringing a wonderful forum of manufacturing sector customers. It's a very interactive day throughout the event, and we found a lot of interesting prospects from this event. Yeah, keep up the good job. Thanks.
Whatever money we spend, it's worth to spend that money. So we are looking forward.
Yeah, it was wonderful to be part of this IT summit, and we got good target audience, and they were pretty good and good engagement that we had. I look forward to the future manufacturing IT summit. Yeah, it was an excellent one, and we look forward to gain much from this, and I'm positive about it. So,
it's a well-organized event, met our expectation as an organization, as a gold partner, and we definitely look forward to kind of catching up next year and hoping for a better crowd. Cheers, best of luck to the whole team. Thank you.
Oh, it was excellent. Absolutely. I mean, it was a great collaboration of like-minded people, and, we could connect with a whole host of customers and prospects. So it was great for us, and absolutely. Super. Keep it on. That's all.
Today I should appreciate the organizers for this and the way they have conducted themselves, and they have brought in the kind of coordination. I really appreciate this, and I hope it continues for the future events also, basically. And compared to my other events that I have participated, I see a lot of good things happening over here. Yeah, 100%. I'm going to really come back to Exito for this. Okay? Yeah, thank you.